Good morning students. Welcome to today's online class. So students, today we will continue with exercise 3.6. 3.6. Okay. So 3.6. One more sum I will show to you all. Isn't it? So I will show you one more sum. So the question is number 8. Okay, number 8. Let us see this question. So 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Okay, this is minus 1 by 8. So this is the question. 1 by, students, this is the question. Okay, 1 by 3x plus y, 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4, and 1 by 2 into 3x plus y, 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay. So let us solve this then. So one by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. Marking number 1, and 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y equal to, or 1 by 8 will bring to the left hand side will become plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Marking number 2. Okay, so let 1 by 3x plus y is equal to u and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to v. So then 1 implies the equation will be like this: u plus v is equal to u plus v minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. Isn't it? So okay, let it be number 3, and 2 implies it will be u by 2 minus v by 2 plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so student, so it will become u minus v plus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. I multiply both sides by 2. 2 cancel, 2 cancel. 2 into 1 by 0. Okay, mark number 4. Now very easy now students. 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 we will do u plus v minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0, and u minus v plus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. So both you add, then v and v will be cancelled. 2u plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. 2u plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2u minus 2 by 4. 1 minus 3 minus 2, isn't it? So 2u is equal to 1 by 2. So u is equal equal to 1 by 2 into 2, it will become 1 by 4. Now putting the value of u in equation, anyone 3 or 4, let us put it in 3 only. U in 3, okay, in equation 3 we'll put the value of u, so this will become 1 by 4 plus b minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. So now u means quantity number 5 and V means six. And y and y is cancelled. 6x. Go to 1. The value of x in 5. Minus 4 will become minus 1. The solution is x equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So students, let us see this sum. Here your reducing is very necessary in this kind of sum. I did this sum just to give you an example where reducing is very important. Okay, last two examples I gave you, that can be done without reducing also, but this will become very clumsy. You can solve this without reducing, but this will become very clumsy if you try to solve it. That means very critical type it will become. Managing the terms and all, it will become difficult for you if you try to solve it without reducing. Okay, it is better if you reduce it. Let us see. So number 8, once number 8, 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. So students, 3 by 4 is here. No? 3 by 4 is here. 3 by 4 you bring to the left hand side, mark it number 1. Minus 1 by 8 is here, students. Minus 1 by 8 is here, bring it to the left hand side, it will become plus 1 by 8, mark it 1 and 2. Now let 1 by 3x plus y is equal to u. Okay, let 1 by 3x plus y, 1 by 3x plus y is equal to u, and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to v. 1 by 3x plus y we are taking u, and 1 by 3x minus y we are taking v. Okay, now 1 by 3x plus y is u, 1 by 3x plus y is u, and 1 by 3x minus y is v. So 1 implies, equation 1 implies what? 1 by 3x plus y means, students? 1 by 3x plus y means u. So in place of 1 by 3x plus y I wrote u. 1 by 3x minus y means v. So in place of 1 by 3x minus y I wrote v. Minus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. Marking number 3. And here 1 by, here it is 1 by 2 into 3x plus y. 1 by 2 into 3x plus y. See here. 1 by 2 into 3x plus y. How can you write this? This you can write it like this, no? 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y. Can you write it like this? Can you write it like this? 1 by 2 into 3x plus y means 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y. So 1 by 3x plus y. What is the value of 1 by 3x plus y? 1 by 3x plus y means u. So this will be half into u. So it is u by 2. Did you understand, students? 1 by 2 into 3x plus y. 1 by 2 into 3x plus y, I can write 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y. So in place of 1 by 3x plus y, in place of 1 by 3x plus y, what can you put? In place of 1 by 3x plus y, we can put 1 by 3x plus y, we can put u. So 1 by 2 into u, it will become u by 2. So therefore I, in place of 1 by 2 into 3x plus y, I wrote u by 2. And 1 by 2 into 3x minus y, I wrote v by 2. And this minus sign is here, I wrote this minus sign here. Okay. And plus, this minus 1 by 8 I brought to the left hand side, so it became plus. So therefore plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Now students, what I saw is that here 2, here 2, here 8. All the numbers are multiple of 2. So I multiplied both sides by 2. I multiplied both sides of the equation by 2. If this here I multiply by 2, then u by 2 into 2, students, see all of you. U by 2 is there now. If I multiply u by 2 into 2, then 2 and 2 will go cancellation. What will remain? U. Understood? Both sides I am multiplying by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled. I will get u. This 2 will be cancelled. I will get v. And 1 by 8 into 2, students. 1 by 8 into 2. 2 you cancel with 8 how many times? 4 times. So that is equal to how much? 1 by 4. Therefore I got here 1 by 4. And 0 into 2 will be right hand side. This 0 is there. 0 into 2 will become how much? 0 only. Understood? So now mark it number 4. Okay. Okay, this is number 3 and this is number 4. Now I saw that here it is u plus b, here it is u minus b. Nothing I need to multiply. Very easy for elimination method. U plus b minus 3 by 4 and u minus b plus 1 by 4. This is equation 3 and this is equation 4. Both I added because I thought of eliminating b. Here before b plus sign is there, here before b minus sign is there. Signs are opposite. So how can you cancel both the variables, both the v? Then you just have to add. So I am adding 3 plus 4. This equation 3 and 4 I am adding. So v and v is cancelled. V and v is cancelled. U plus u will become 2u and plus 1 by 4. And because I am adding both the equations, so lower line the sign will not change. The lower line, the lower equation, the signs will change. All the variables or all the terms, signs will change only when you are subtracting both the equations. Okay, just what we learned in class 9 and 8 also, isn't it? But here we are adding, so signs will not change. So v and v is cancelled. U plus u, and why we are adding? Because I saw that before v plus sign and here before v minus sign. So opposite sign. If opposite signs are there before the two variables that you want to cancel, then you have to add the two equations. And if same sign is there before both the variables that you want to cancel, then you have to same sign, then you have to subtract the two equations. And opposite sign, then you have to add. That's why I am adding. Okay. So v and v is cancelled. U plus u, it will become 2u plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. 4 and 4 LCM, students. 4 and 4 LCM. Okay. So 4 and 4 LCM. Above we will get 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is how much? 1 minus 3 means 1 minus 3, students. 1 minus 3, it will be how much? Minus 2, no? Minus 2. So because of the minus sign only, this class became minus Okay, minus 2 was there, no? Minus plus, I got minus it directly. Okay, so with this 2 I am cancelling for 2, I am cancelling with 2 1 times, 4 I am cancelling with 2 times. So 1 minus 1 by 2 I will take to the right hand side, it will become plus 1 by 2. This 2 is multiplied here. If I take it to the right hand side, it will get divided. So this 2 is here, no, below. This 2 will become multiplied with this 2. So 2 into 2 it will become 1 by 4. So u's value is 1 by 4. Putting the value of u in equation 3. In equation 3 now, in equation 3 you just put the value of u. What is the value of u? Value of u is 1 by 4 in here, in place in equation 3. You can put in equation 4 also, same value will come out. Okay, u's value I am putting in equation 3. In place of u you just put 1 by 4. So in place of u I am putting here u plus v minus 3 by 4 is there, no? In place of u I will put the value of u. So 1 by 4 plus v minus 3 by 4. So 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 and v will stay here. The 4 and 4 LCM you take. You take the LCM, 4 and 4 LCM is how much? 4. Above I will get 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is how much? Again minus 2. And minus plus will become minus. So it will become 2 by 4, isn't it? 1 minus 3 students. 1 minus 3 is how much? Minus 2, no? So minus 2, because of this minus sign only, minus, because I got here one minus 2, because of this minus sign only, minus plus, I got minus directly. Okay. So with 2 I cancel 4 2 times. 1 by 2 is here. 1 by 2 I will take to the right hand side, it will become plus 1 by 2. Now u is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. U is equal to 1 by 4 and v is equal to 1 by 2. What is u actually? What is u actually, students? U means 1 by 3x plus y. See here. U means 1 by 3x plus y. So in place of u you write 1 by 3x plus y. And v means, what is the value of v? 1 by 3x minus y. So in place of v you write 1 by 3x minus y. Okay. Now both sides you write the reciprocal on both sides. Both sides you reverse the terms. Okay. 1 by 3x plus y is there. If you reverse it, it will become 3x plus y. And 1 by 4, if you reverse it, 4 will go up. If you reverse this, then this will go up and 1 will come down, isn't it? So it will become 3x plus y. And 4 will go up and 1 will come down, so it will become 4. 4 by 1 means what? 1 by 4 if you reverse, it will become 4 by 1. 4 by 1 means 4 only. So 4 you bring to the left hand side. Same way v is equal to 1 by 2. What is the value of v? What does v means actually? What we have considered v? 1 by 3x minus y. So put here in place of v, 1 by 3x minus y. Reverse both sides. So 3x minus y is equal to 2. 2 you bring to the left hand side. Minus 2. Now again we have to solve these two equations. Because we don't need the value of u and v. U and v we have considered just to make our sum easier, but we actually need the value of x and y, isn't it? So equation 5 and 6 is there. So here before y what sign is there? Before y plus sign is there. Here before y minus sign is there. So opposite signs, isn't it? Again I am thinking of eliminating y only. So 5 plus 6 I got. Because opposite sign, no, before y plus sign, before y minus sign, one is plus and one is minus. So opposite sign. So I am thinking of adding. Okay. So I will add. So this equation and this equation I will add. So plus y and minus y is cancelled. See, here plus y is there, here minus y is there. Both are cancelled. 3x plus 3x will become 6x. Minus 4 minus 2 will become minus 6. Minus 6 you take to the right hand side, it will become plus 6. 6x is equal to 6. 6 is multiplied here, take to the other side. 6 and 6 is cancelled. So x is equal to 1. Putting the value of x in equation 5. In equation 5 you just put the value of x. Here x is there, no? In place of x you just put the value of x. So if you put here in place of x, if you put the value of x, then what will happen, students? What is the value of x, students? 1. In place of this x you just put 1. So here you see 3x was there, no? 3x. So 3 into 1 it became plus y minus 4. 3 into 1 is 3. And so 3 minus 4, students. 3 minus 4 will become minus 1. Minus 1 you take to the right hand side, it will become plus 1. Therefore the solution is x equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. See, x is equal to 1 and also y is equal to 1. Is it okay?